Remove the lid of the box. You should find a USB cable, TutorPlus device, stylus along with a charging cable, and a key card for logging into Neura software. Now remove the plastic wrapping around the device. Unscrew the mount from the back of the device. Take one end of the USB cable and connect it to the back of the device. Take the other end and connect it to your PC or laptop. Connect one end of the HDMI to the PC and the other end to the display. Now place the TutorPlus device on the top, in the middle of the display. The device should be placed at the center and not be tilted on the front and the back. Screw the mount so that the device remains still and isn't moving or shaking. And remove the tape from the mount and press the clamp so that it sticks properly at the back. Go to www.neura.com and download and install the Iris drivers and the Neura Teach app. Open the sensor viewer to check there should not be any cropping of the TV area. Press the tip of the stylus. The glowing red light indicates the stylus is charged. If not, charge the same using the USB cable. Note, you can also replace the tip of the stylus with another one if it goes bad. Open Iris application and start calibrating the display. Make sure there is no external or direct light falling on the device. Once done, install the Neura Teach application. And register your product with the provided license key on the keycard that comes along inside the box. Open the Neura Teach application and start teaching.